Imagine earning cash while you sleep. I'm about to show you how to do just that with Amazon. No wallet needed. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Stick around until the end, as we're set to unveil insights that'll enrich your approach to earning online well beyond what you anticipate. Let's embark on this value-packed journey together. Embarking on your Amazon affiliate journey is essentially free, which is pretty sweet. You just need to select a niche you're passionate about. This is crucial because your genuine interest will shine through in your content and help attract a dedicated audience. When setting up your site, focus on user experience. A clean design and easy navigation keep users around, which is critical because more eyes on your content could mean more clicks on your affiliate links. Signing up for Amazon Associates is the gateway to earning those commissions. It's straightforward and costs nothing. Once you're in, your mission is to create content that leads to clicks on your affiliate links. Product selection is where your insight into your audience pays off. Choose items that resonate with their interest and your content. Relevant products mean a higher likelihood of clicks and sales, which translates to commissions for you. Grabbing those unique affiliate links from Amazon is a breeze. These are essential because they track the sales you've generated. Plus, they're how Amazon knows who to pay the commission to. Now, it's not enough to just have those links on your site. You need to create content that's engaging and builds up to the point where clicking that link feels like the natural next step for your readers. SEO is your backstage pass to getting seen on search engines. By optimizing your content with relevant keywords and meta descriptions, you boost your visibility, which can increase your affiliate click-through rate. Harness the power of social media. Platforms like Facebook and Twitter are incredible for sharing your content and reaching a broader audience. The more you engage on these platforms, the larger your potential customer base becomes. YouTube is a visual platform where you can bring products to life. By creating review or how-to videos and embedding your affiliate links in the description, you're opening up another revenue stream. Email marketing is like having a direct line to your audience. By providing valuable content and integrating your product promotions naturally, you can nurture leads and guide them back to your website. Monitoring your performance is essential. Use the reports provided by Amazon to see which strategies are working. This data lets you adjust your tactics for better results. Patience is the bedrock of affiliate marketing. It might take time to see substantial income, but with consistent effort, those commissions will start to accumulate. Diversify your approach. Try out different promotional methods and keep abreast of the latest affiliate marketing trends. The digital landscape changes rapidly, and staying informed means staying on top. Appreciating this content? Foster your curiosity. Subscribe, hit the like to cheer us on, and ring the bell for your passport to discovery. Ready to embark on more adventures? Let's set off again. Trust is the currency of the affiliate world. Only recommend products you believe in. This authenticity builds trust with your audience, which can lead to more sales. Less can be more when it comes to product promotion. A focused approach can prevent your audience from feeling overwhelmed and steer their attention to what matters. Keep the content fresh and updated. A dynamic site with new articles and posts can engage visitors and encourage them to explore your product recommendations further. Leverage Amazon's promotional events. These are prime times when deal seekers flood the site, giving you a higher chance to boost your commissions. Watch what the leaders in your niche are doing. Learning from their successes and failures can inform your strategy and help you avoid common pitfalls. Sticking to Amazon's affiliate rules is critical. A misstep here can lead to being banned, which would abruptly end your affiliate venture. By carefully crafting your strategy and focusing on creating value, you can build a robust affiliate site. So dive in, start creating compelling content, and make the most out of the Amazon affiliate program. Add to that the understanding that this isn't a get-rich-quick path. It's about laying a solid foundation, building an audience, and nurturing those affiliate relationships over time. Crafting content that educates and entertains can set you apart from the competition. Whether it's detailed guides, in-depth reviews, or creative storytelling, quality content is what will make your site a go-to resource. Engagement is the lifeblood of your online presence. Encourage your readers to leave comments, ask questions, and share their experiences. This interaction not only builds community, but also boosts your site's visibility. Adapting to the ever-changing digital marketplace is vital. Keep testing new tools and techniques. What works today might not work tomorrow, so staying adaptable is key to your success. Remember, the world of affiliate marketing is vast and varied. There's always more to learn, more strategies to try, and more niches to explore. Keep your mind open to new possibilities and your approach flexible. With persistence, the right strategies, and a focus on value-driven content, your Amazon affiliate site can grow from a side hustle to a significant source of income. It's all about the long game, so pace yourself and enjoy the journey. Dive into the turning point of your digital voyage. Claim your free ebook revealing the most dynamic online business strategy set to revolutionize today. But the momentum doesn't stop there. After mastering the ebook, you're beckoned to rise to the challenge, a 15-day journey meticulously charted for the budding e-commerce entrepreneur. With the wisdom of digital trailblazers, innovative tactics, and a comprehensive toolkit at your fingertips, your rise to online eminence is within grasp. Are you set for the ascent? Take action! Hit the link in the description decisively and script your success story in the digital era. Logging out from today's e-earning code session, deciphered the method, bug-free or in need of a debug? Type your experiences in the comments. Did today's financial coding session compile success for you? If yes, click like to run the program again. Craving more tech wealth insights? Subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, keeping your code stream error-free. Before you close the IDE, notice that video thumbnail? It's a tutorial to another profitable code base. Click, and let's keep programming your path to online income. Until our next coding sprint.